Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are very well. My name is Hoida Sarkar Sagar, and guys, you can see I'm here today. Actually this place is very nice and this is new place. This place name is Model Town, Shabar Dhaka. I hope everybody knows about that. So really this place is very nice, and you can see behind me this is house. I will show you. This is big building, and this is 10 floor, and this work is almost finished. So really I will show you. So guys, you can see this is a high road, you can see, and there are some car, and I don't know what is going there. So really, and guys, everybody come here in the morning, and I come here every day. So really, because when I come here and I go to feel really, and I make a video. Actually I'm not alone come here, because with my friends. So today is not here, so that's why I'm not good, and I miss him. So really good, and this is afternoon time. So guys, if you want to learn English, every day practice it. You can see this is university. This is Eastern University. So I'm good. So guys, really this place is very nice. Thank you so much.